So I was like sitting here, I was playing Pokemon, and all of a sudden, it's just, the windows cracked, and all of a sudden I heard a howl. And I don't even know what it was. It just kind of sounded like a wolf. Like he was howling at me. Well, maybe not a wolf, more like he was like a bunny rabbit, I guess. Maybe a moose, a duck. It was a mouse. No, it was a bear. I'm pretty sure it was a bear. Yeah. No, not even a bear. It was an African swallow. Yeah. It's not doing it anymore. It's kind of odd. Maybe it's camera shy. I don't know. But anyways. There's something outside. Maybe not. By the way, I got a haircut. And it looks like crap. So that's why I'm always wearing a hat. Because it looks like crap. Yeah. And Taylor said I look like a mushroom. Thanks, Taylor.